Hello guys, welcome back to another vlog of mine. Today we are on a DO mission. हम खाली दो ही लोग हैं आज. It's me and Muzaffar bhai, and we guys are trekking ahead in this beautiful valley in Kashmir. I'm gonna show you in a while कि ये लग कैसी रही है. This place is just absolutely magisterial, absolutely majestic. Majestic, bro. Guys, so we have reached a spot right over here. यहाँ पे जैसा आप लोग देख सकते हैं पीछे से पानी भी है, सब कुछ है. तो हम लोग यहीं पे अपना थोड़ा सेटअप करेंगे. We'll cook some food over here, and after cooking our food, we'll see what will happen and we'll inform you guys. So let's go ahead and cook our food now.
Ima ka sa freeze agression is petrol.
This is our cooking utensil, as you guys know already. It's almost broken now, but still, it's gonna give us some sort of help today. We have our fork and knife and everything over here as well. This, as every one of you knows, that this is our cooking stove, and it's very compact, comes in very handy. Here is the cooking stove. Okay, good. And this is our cooking stove. So we are going to install this thing, the butane gas. Muzaffar bhai says it's empty, but I say it's 30% full. So let's go ahead and do this. So this being our pan, so we'll melt some snow, as you guys can see. Just a second, I'll try and show you. Here, we'll melt some snow. No, we'll use water. Let's use water. Let's not melt snow. So here it will be good. As सुनो भाई, यहाँ पे इसको हवा नहीं आएगी. यहाँ पे ये ठीक spot है. This is the okay spot. Let me just let it. Okay. So, just a second. I'll just get some Maggies out. We'll cook them. These are the Maggies. Muzaffar bhai, can you hold it for a second? Yeah. Okay, so let's go and open up this Maggie now. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. No, wait a second, huh? Okay, we'll use it later. No worries. We'll keep it here for now. Keep this thing here. I just hope that this butane gas survives for our Maggie at least. What do you think? Will it survive for the Maggie, Muzaffar bhai? So, anyways, am I in frame? Okay. Just a second. So this is my trekking knife, and I have some vegetables with me as well. So first and foremost, what I'm gonna do is I'm going to take out a capsicum. I have a capsicum with me. We'll first clean this capsicum. Here. Wow. Smell it? Tasty, huh? Okay. So, come on, bro. I'll clean this one. Keep me in the frame, please. Boota go udur.
Allah ki kasam. Shit. Pur gaya asma sahab. Allah ki kasam. Laya karo khushi ke sath. Oh, your frame zabardast.
Okay. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna open up my knife and straight away just go ahead and cut this shimla. We call this shimla, in English it's called as capsicum. What is happening? Okay. This is open for now. So
Tomato
I'll
machine.
cut it. No, I don't have. I just hope that this is not kharab. No, bilkul theek hai. Wow, bro. Okay,
This is small pieces.
I'll do that. Just a second. Can you give me one of these? Just one. Okay. The water is not boiling, bro, for some reason. I don't know why. so our Maggi is finally ready. We have added the capsicum in this Maggi as well. These are the basic noodles. Come on, pour it in it. And I have one more idea after this. I'll tell you what. After this, I have one more idea. After we cook this Maggi, I have one more idea for you. Let's see कि कितनी tasty है.
अच्छा मार नून कम.
Absolute yum bro. नहीं. बराबर sorry. Man, this is absolutely majestic. Having Maggi in this beautiful landscape, like there's nothing which beats this. Maggi is so tasty, bro. And while I am here in this beautiful place enjoying this Maggi, I would ask you guys for something, and that thing is that please, if you find my videos interesting, do consider subscribing and giving my videos a thumbs up and commenting on my video as well. That helps a lot. Okay guys, I hope you guys like this video. If you guys like today's video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, like, share and subscribe. And we'll catch you guys in the next one. Till then, take care. Assalamu alaikum.